Hi everyone, welcome back to our Excel VBA system series. In our previous videos, we built the Excel payroll system and the cash voucher system. Today, let's move forward with the employee form 201 system, your all-in-one HR record manager inside Excel. This system stores complete employee details, from personal information and contact details to government IDs and employment status. You can also upload a photo and company logo directly in the form, and the system automatically links them when the record is opened again. Each employee record is automatically assigned an ID using the employee ID generator. What's great is the prefix is fully editable in your data sheet. For example, if your prefix in cell A4 is set to EMP, the system will generate IDs like EMP001, EMP002, and so on, completely automated and unique for each new record. The employee information form layout is designed to be clean, simple, and user-friendly. It includes text boxes for employee ID, last name, first name, maiden name if married, middle name, gender, marital status, birth date, employment status, regularization date, contact number, email address, remarks, date hired, nationality, religion, pagibig, PhilHealth, SSS, and TIN number. The list sheet is where you define key data that appears as drop-down options in the form, such as departments and positions, helping HR avoid manual data entry error. When you click Save, the form automatically sends all data to the employee data sheet starting at row 6. Each employee has a unique ID, along with all their relevant personal information. If a photo and logo are attached, their file paths are also stored, so the next time you open the employee record, everything loads instantly. After saving, the Refresh Dashboard button updates your entire HR summary. It counts the total number of employees per department, per employment status, and even creates visual charts automatically, including a column chart and a pie chart that visually summarize your data. It's also fully printable, making it easy to generate reports or share with management. You'll also get a separate worksheet called Summary per Department that lists all employees by department, position, and status, and is perfect for generating department employee summaries. Ready for printing. The best part, the system refreshes automatically, so you don't have to worry about manually updating your reports. The dashboard refresh runs in about 1 second even with full data. This means it's optimized for medium to large HR databases, ensuring smooth operation without lag. The system also includes an automated print option for each employee's profile. After you click Print Sheet button, the form closes automatically to keep your workflow clean and efficient. The employee print form sheet allows you to generate clean, printable forms for each employee, including their photo and company logo. You can instantly preview or print these forms directly to PDF, perfect for HR filing or when employees request a copy of their records. The VBA code is modular, so you can add more features later, like attendance, leave tracking, or training records. With this Form 201 system, HR data management becomes faster, more accurate, and easier to monitor. No need for manual Excel tracking. Everything runs with a single click. If you found this system helpful, don't forget to follow and share on Facebook, and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Excel VBA systems.